Once you get your post layout mark, I would mark out, this is going to be for an 8-inch post, so I'd mark out 8 inches all the way around so that your inside and outside of the posts are marked out. Then we would take the steel, or in some cases an aluminum knife plate. These ones are 100% aluminum, is typically what we use. In some cases we'll need to use the structural steel, and you'll end up just centering it in the post layout mark. Then you can begin to mark for your posts here, and then eventually put your 2 red heads, concrete bolts. Either put them kitty corner, or in a case like this I would put them here and here, so we're not doing it on the corner of the concrete here. So once you've got all 4 posts laid out, the next thing you'll want to do is to get a height for each post, because your concrete is going to have some slope. So we've set up the laser here on one corner, and we're going to shoot and use that corner as a 0 and shoot each post and get a height. So we'll see where the laser is there, and then we'll go through and shoot the heights for each post. Here we've created a little map of where, and numbered. We're going to number each post, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then make our marks. Which post is 1/4 inch high, 1/4 inch low, whatever it may be, where we're going to be cutting off an inch or 2 per post. Here we've laid out our posts and numbered each one to correlate with the numbers on the map of where the posts are going to go. And then we've got this one here that's been drilled for power, so we'll end up putting a switch here in the center as well. So keep that in mind and number your posts to correlate with your map that you've made. Once you've got your plate laid out there and centered, go ahead and drill 2 holes. We wouldn't need to fill all 4, but we would do the 2 holes kitty corner. Probably stay away from the corner as much as possible in case the post is being installed right on the edge of the concrete. We'd stay away and do the holes kitty corner. We suggest when you mark out for these knife plates that you could either make a mark with a sharpie on the concrete and drill, or leave your knife plate exactly where it's going to sit and stand on the corner so it doesn't move as you drill. So we get the holes drilled, and then we'll be able to just go ahead and pound these down in to where they're nice and snug.
As long as you think you know for sure, because it's smaller.
And then we'll end up taking a crescent wrench and tightening these up once they've been pounded down all the way. Now that we've pounded them down tight, we just tighten them up with a crescent wrench, and then we'll show you next what we're going to do with these bolts that are sticking out, because we can't set our posts on those. So we'll show the next step on cutting the post and then notching out for those bolts there, the red heads and the nuts.